Hi guys, my name's Dimitris, and in this video we're going to discuss how to use the interactive panel and its user interface to customize your own personal profile on the board. So as you can see, I'm currently logged into the BenQ AU account. I have the freedom to fully customize this, whereas I can add apps to the boards, different widgets, change my background if needed, all of it to suit your style, your apps needed for teaching, whatever you want to do. First and foremost, we'll go through the app list. To pull up the app list, what you would be looking at is the 4 squares in the middle of the table here. As you open that guy up, you'll see there is quite a few different preloaded apps on here already. You do have the freedom to add your own by downloading them from the Play Store, but if there is something I want to add onto the home screen now, let's say YouTube, I simply click and drag it onto the home screen there. That will be saved onto your profile across all the boards that have YouTube saved on. You do have different widgets available as well. Same place, open the app list, select widgets at the top, and you do have quite a few different options here. You do have some quick shortcuts with your Google Drive settings, your Gmail, Google search bar. So if I hold that guy down, drag it in there, I have the quick link for Google search now. All of these widgets are available based on the app that's downloaded and installed on the panel. Downloading different apps will have different widgets to customize towards how you will want to use it. Second part of the user interface we'd like to go through is the actual control bar at the bottom. As you can see here, where the BenQ Tech account is signed in as, if I select that, I do have my personal settings, thumbnail being my profile picture, wallpaper settings, auto logout time, and even setting up a screen lock for my own personal account to make it more secure towards my profile. In the middle side, you have the up arrow connection key. So this will be where you can swap in between all your different sources if you're connecting HDMI, USB-C, or even your plug-in OPS. From there, you do have all your display settings to change the brightness and the contrast, whatever you want to do with that. Last but not least, on the very left here, you got the sound, Wi-Fi, and notification tab, which will show you if there's any pop-up messages and updates available. From here, your most important tool is the sidebar on the side here. When you open that, you do have your control mechanisms. Your home, back, recent, multi-window, even your quick launch will bring you up your applications as well. What you can do with this though, is it will show your 3 most recent apps that are in use, so you can quickly alternate between them if need be. You also have the connections tab as well, freezing the screen, and even using the floating toolbar. What that floating toolbar is that guy there. So this is what we call as an annotation tool, where you can actually select different colors right over the screen as an overlay, highlight key parts of anything that you do need to use, or just clearly erase it all if you don't want them there anymore. What you can also do in the teaching environment, again, if you're showing something through a different connection, this will still stay on the screen, but you can record your entire session, which will record your voice from the microphone, plus what you write and show on the board at the same time. If need be, you can even select the camera icon and then take a photo as well. All these come quite in handy for your teaching environment, as it lets you go back to any previous recorded work, any screenshots saved from any notes taken while in class with the students, and give you the freedom to actually write and annotate over all the existing work for when you're doing presentations or note taking with your students, environmental subjects and whatnot. Thank you.